I think the place I feel most at home is the kitchen. My grandma taught me to cook.
Nice work, Papetka. Way to be late on the first day.
I'm sorry I'm late. I couldn't help it. A three-headed beast ate my homework. These are not the girls we used to know.
Yeah, you know, evolution.
Since you love cakes, I wanted to bake for you. I guess I kinda love you. Man, no.
You gotta face it, dude. She's out of our league.
It's considered class 2 obesity.
Have you ever tried to lose weight, Dad?
All my life, kid.
Watch out, Klára, or he'll eat you.
Yeah, Puffy'll eat anything.
Even sisters.
The issue isn't in the stomach. It's right here.
So what is he, a rabbit?
It's not so bad when you have motivation.
If I see you at the pool, you'll be worried about your health.
Isn't it great to have brothers at this age?
Where are your shorts? Go change now!
He's in love.
Whoever's making those weird noises, it's not as funny as you think.
He can't help it. It's his diet.
Yo, living